Hi, my name is Sarah Francis. I'm receiving my master's in early childhood education and received my undergraduate in psychology. I'm currently working two part-time jobs. The first part-time job, I work at the YMCA at a before and after school enrichment program. And the second job, I work as an instructional aide. So, what I do is I work with a reading specialist and we test all of the children on their reading abilities. And according to that, the reading specialists organize groups for me to work with, and we work in a reading intervention. So, this data is really important, and I felt like this video was very relevant to what I am doing. Um, we use this data to monitor where the children are and what skills to work on in the intervention. Um, this video really spoke to me because I like that he said that data is important, but it's also very easy to get lost in that data. Um, he also emphasized that it is important to just remember where the children are coming from and their personal interests, because that can also be the strongest motivator. Uh, Another thing that I found that was very relevant to what I'm doing is that um, we have to have that Goldilocks effect and make sure the material that we're working on is not too easy or not too hard, because we want the children to be motivated and also work on the skills that they need the most. But also to remember that the strongest motivator are um, often personal interests. And the most influential teachers are the most passionate and the ones that want to understand their impact. So remembering that data is important, but there's a lot of other factors that are um, relevant to that data and that we should be questioning that as well. So I found this very interesting because we are constantly looking at the data in my second job and monitoring where they are. So we have to do that once a week, um, and look at the data. That way, if any of the teachers or parents ask for that information, that we're able to give that information to them. So I thought that this video was very interesting. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to working with you in this class.